What is up, YouTube? Today we are headed from Illinois Beach State Park, where we are residing, to Waukegan Harbor. Gonna try for some salmon, some Chinook salmon, because fall, that's primarily what you get. I do see a few salmon. Never been here before. Waukegan Harbor. Oh wow. There's more than a few salmon. Holy shit. There is a huge school of salmon down there. All right. Well, we got kicked out at our first spot, so now we're trying here. I believe that's Government Pier over there, so we're gonna check it.
My thing is, you'd think there'd be a lot of bass. Weed beds, bass.
Yeah, there's just too many salmon. I mean, I see salmon in Chicago, but I've never seen this many salmon. Like literally, the pod over there was like 60 something salmon. I was counting them. Yeah, I see a pod right there.
Oh, you got glasses on.
I'll see what I can get away with.
Huh?
I said I'll see what I can get away with over here. Oh, I'm not supposed to fish? I'm sorry. I didn't know that. These fish are so skittish though.
Yeah, they are.
Because of all the people snagging them. They are fast though. You see them? Oh wow. That one right there is beautiful. That's a pretty steelhead right there.
Oh, right there too. A whole bunch right there. Whole line of them.
Oh, they were looking. They were looking a little bit, or they were just running, I don't know. Oh no, he's coming in all the way.
Yeah. Nice follow-up.
He was coming all the way. I'll take a small guy, man. I prefer that actually. See if he'll come. Try to leave it up on the surface. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back. I'm gonna have to regroup and come back. I can't kill myself like this all day. Because I will. I'll watch this fish circling and just make cast after cast after cast. Hello? Hey, what's up? There's salmon all over the place, but I can't catch any. They're very skittish because like there's a lot of people trying to snag them. So anytime like the line hits the water, they scatter and all that. They don't follow it. I might get some shrimp and try it later on, but as of right now, I mean, it's insane how many fish are here, though, to be quite honest with you. It's pretty crazy. I hooked up with one. I'm not sure if it's snagged or in the mouth, but I'm using a crankbait. There's so many fish here, it's insane. Every cast I bump like...
Steelhead in here like crazy.
Oh, you think that's what these are? Steelhead? Yeah?
That's what they were Saturday. As long as you use a bait, you're all right. You can't snag it.
That's fine. I'll take it.
Whoa. It looks like a big one here.
I'll bring him close to the shore, and then when he starts to swim out, we can get him head first, probably. He's not that big, though, so. Whew. He is fighting. Let me get on your right side. Awesome. Thank you, sir. That is a beautiful fish.
There you go.
Thank you.
There's two more like that for us.
Hook came out. There we go, guys. Chinook king salmon, Waukegan Harbor. Nice and healthy too. Beautiful Chinook. First try this year, 2022. A little late on the start this year, but paid off, guys. Good fish. I'm leaving right now. Take it right home to my wife. That's all she asked for. I haven't had in the truck, but I was just like my hopefulness for catching a fish wasn't high, so.
Okay, now we go back with this one. There you go.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
It might be tangled around a little bit here. Let's see. All right. That.
No problem.
There we are. This might be a female, I hope. There we are. Waukegan Harbor. First try of the season, guys. Awesome fish. We are gonna leave right now and take this baby to my wife at Illinois Beach State Park. Let's go. Nice fish. Got him on the Jason Special, of course. Here we are. Beautiful Chinook salmon. I'm hoping this is a female so we can get some eggs out of it. Waukegan Harbor, first try of the year. There is so many fish here, it's insane. Beautiful fish. Again, gonna take this right home to the beach, right to the wife. Woo! That's how it is, boys. That was a great fight. We got that on my telescopic rod on a Jason Special custom lure, of course, bringing Chicago right down to Waukegan, baby. Awesome fun. We were not there long. I got kicked out of one area, went near Government Pier, I believe that's what it's called, and I was fishing the inside of the harbor, still 200 feet away from any boat, and we got one. Pods and pods of fish, guys. I'm gonna be back. I'm assuming this is a female. I'm hoping this is a female. Right now we are bringing it back to the wife at Illinois Beach State Park. I'm gonna smoke that baby on the fire. Gonna go fillet him. Maybe not even fillet him. We might smoke him whole, but I do want to see if there's some eggs in it. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you guys next Friday with another GeoFishing exclusive. Peace. All right, guys, we are rushing. Of course, we are obeying all speed limits to the main entrance of the Illinois State Park campground, the check-in location, and I'm about to surprise my wifey with a beautiful Chinook salmon I just caught on this beautiful sunny fall October day. All right, so we are in. They they recognize me here. I'm here all the time, so I didn't have to do much talking. They just kind of waved me in, and we are in the park. This is the entrance of Illinois Beach State Park. I'm not gonna show you what number I'm actually on, but we are happy that we caught the salmon, and I cannot wait to throw it on the fire pit. We have wood and everything we need to roast some salmon. Nice smoke flavor, oh yeah. But we are almost here. Only 13 minutes away from Waukegan, so that's not bad at all. Especially when you have the opportunity to catch salmon, like we just did. So, we're gonna present this beautiful salmon right to the wifey and see what happens. That's all she wanted me to get today. And all I'm hoping I get is some eggs out of it. All right, let's check her out. Kristen, I'm gonna fillet it on the picnic table.
What?
I'm gonna fillet it on the picnic table.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
Look, check it out.
You
Isn't
guys
that
can
awesome?
see it.
It's a beautiful
I bring
fish.
my phone so I can take a picture of it with my face.
Watch the kitty cats. Put the, I guess, put that down.
You're gonna need scissors too. I can grab some.
Here we are, guys. We are here at the campground, about to gut the salmon to see if we have any eggs. Beautiful Chinook salmon. Hey, dude.
Hi.
First try, I got one this year, huh?
Yep. Oh, you're cutting his butt.
Wait, I want to take a picture of it with my face first.
There are eggs in it.
Woohoo!
Yes.
Watch out, watch out.
I need like a bag or something with the eggs. Or I need a baggie for the eggs.
So we're gonna see baby fish hat.
No. We use the eggs for bait.
What do you need?
A little baggie for the eggs. You can see right there, this baby does have eggs. So that's gonna be awesome. We're gonna be able to float some eggs now and see if we can get some more salmon.
Some blood just dropped. It's weird seeing you kill something.
He's already dead.
It's already dead?
Mm-hmm.
We're just chopping it. Ew.
Wow, look at the eggs.
Those are a lot.
That's a lot of eggs.
Mom, look! It's the inside of the fish and look at all these eggs!
Oh, nice.
We might.
Do you want 2 small baggies or 1 big one? 1 big one?
Man, this is exactly what I needed.
Wow, those are nice big ones too, babe. Wow, good job, babe. You got some loose eggs you missed.
That's fine. Wow. Guys,
There's a
this
little
is a
pouch
beautiful
right there.
salmon. Beginning. Or I'll rinse my hands and I'll let you handle that.
Yeah, I'll handle this.
All right, guys, so she's gonna take over the fish. She's very excited. I'm very excited. Look at all the eggs we got. Where are the eggs? Check out all the eggs we got, guys, for the salmon. So this is gonna be awesome. Now I can go and float for them. But I gotta clean my hands, charge some of my cameras, and we'll be right back at it. Apparently this guy is gonna go in the freezer, so. We gutted it.
Gonna fillet it?
Gonna fillet it. And
Freeze.
we will not be smoking this guy, but the
No.
next fish, filleting it off the skin bit. Good job. There we are, guys. A gallon bag size of salmon fillet, boneless, And she's gonna go and, I guess, make a fish broth out of that.
100 years ago because a villain defeated me.